again.
What's up, everybody? My name is Parker Immense.
My name's Danny Ferrari.
And we are Excellent Sound. We
Right.
should say it together, though. That would be kind of cool. And we are Excellent Sound.
Okay, let's try it. Let's try it.
All right. What's up, everybody? My name is Parker Immense.
My name's Danny Ferrari.
And we are Excellent Sound.
Yeah, that's pretty lame.
So I don't know if you guys know, but there is a rivalry going around on TikTok. Gnomes versus Knights.
It's pretty serious.
It's pretty serious. It's pretty crazy. It looks like it's getting pretty violent, too.
Yeah, it's getting very serious. It's definitely like dividing two sides. People are talking about Biden, Trump. I mean, really what people are really talking about are Gnomes versus Knights.
Exactly.
I don't know where I stand personally.
Really?
Yeah, I've always identified as a nomosexual, but I could, you know.
I thought you were a Gnomie.
Yeah, I feel gnomey a little bit. I probably feel a little bit more gnomey, yeah.
I actually have a strong stance for the Gnomes.
Okay, you're about the Gnomes.
I am very strongly belief in Gnomes. But there is a problem, and the problem is their theme song. The theme song is it's a little lackluster, okay? It gets you into the medieval vibes. Yes. But we got to bring some excitement.
It needs to be modernized.
Yes.
It slaps. I think it slaps.
You think
I like
it slaps?
It.
Just
yeah, but
OG?
But it's not. It needs to be modernized. You know,
Okay,
we're evolving.
So we're gonna remix the gnome theme. I don't know what it's called. It's pronounced Blood Bethesda Misanthrope. We don't know.
Yeah,
nobody
like
knows how
German
to say
or
it.
something.
Yeah, it could be German. But we're gonna remix it today. We're gonna see how it goes. We've been making a ton of new sounds recently, and we're super excited about it. So we're just gonna be using some of the stuff from the secret vault.
We got some vault stuff. So yeah, we'll try it out. See what you guys think about some of these sounds. Okay, I feel like if we're gonna remix this song, like we need to like somehow invoke the power of the gnomes.
Yes.
But I have no idea how to do that. I don't know if you like summon, do you say a prayer? Like,
I saw some techniques on TikTok, dude.
Okay.
It's pretty sick. But I think what would help is if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite part about this remix.
Okay, but then what do we do?
Oh, you gotta do like a hand gesture. You gotta go like this. All right, this feels a lot better.
Yeah, this feels pretty good. Yeah, now I feel ready.
Oh, what was that? Oh. We can't get too distracted.
Yes.
Can't get too distracted.
Should we engage?
We should. Engage.
Well, shall we?
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right.
Am I there?
Oh, no, God damn it.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Shit.
God damn it.
Oh, my. Oh, God. Oh,
hold on. I don't have my headphones on yet. Shit. Okay, I'm good. I'm in.
Are you in? All right, I'm in.
Oh, God.
My stash, dude.
Fuck me. Son of a bitch.
Okay, here we go.
Wait, fuck, I'm not engaged.
Oh, shit, my stash. My stash.
Okay, I'm engaged.
So, Crawley, this is for you, okay? We're the first gnome producers, gnome deucers, if you will. We got the theme song right over here. Let's listen to it. We don't want to listen to too much, so Crawley's gonna copyright us.
It's a bop. Perfect.
It's a beautiful song.
Beautiful.
Wouldn't you say?
Classic.
Yeah, so we got the MIDI up here, okay? We got the melody, and we got the bass line. First things first, you guys, I think it should be faster, wouldn't you say?
100%, yes. We've been like
gnomes are quick. We're running around.
They're very quick.
Yeah.
They're very fast.
Let's go up to maybe like 170.
They're like 170 BPM quick. They're about that. That's how many little steps they do.
Oh, yeah.
170 steps per minute.
These damn butterflies, dude. These damn butterflies. Maybe 175?
We have been digging some drum and bass lately, so I would be down.
Dude, I'm obsessed with drum and bass. So we got our folder of here. This is just gonna be our vault of sounds.
You go super ravey.
Yeah, dude.
Maybe do the drums first. I like that little,
you like that
beatbox thing that you were doing. Maybe make that beat.
Yeah, let's just do like a loop or something.
Cool.
Yeah, that's pretty hard, dude. I like that. Let's get a sound going.
We could do like a pad or a lead.
Yeah. God damn butterflies.
Like a foghorn.
Yeah, dude. I like that. Let's see how the bass sounds, dude.
Brass.
I think we put some brass on it or something.
Yeah, I think we got some brass samples too. Yeah. What if the bass line like moved instead of it just doing like the ones? Nice.
Okay, this is sick. I really like this right now.
That's a, ow.
Dude, they were on you, bro. Did you see that?
Thank you.
Can you just have my back on the butterflies, dude?
Well,
They're
clearly
fucking
I
everywhere,
I was
dude.
just, oh, am I supposed to help?
Yeah, bro. What the fuck?
That's sick.
Yeah, this could be kind of
work.
sick. I don't know if it's gonna work though. Let me see. Okay, so
It kind of works.
It kind of does work. It's like
could be like a little break into it or something.
yeah, it's going to the vault, baby. I love saying that to you.
Vault
it's going
feels
to the
pretty
vault,
good.
bro. That's Nomi. Dude, that's a Nomi
super
sound,
Nomi.
bro. That's a Nomi lead. All right, here. I'm gonna see if we could layer that too. Let's go back. Let's find some some drums, dude.
Maybe like a break loop or something.
Oh yeah, I like that idea.
Some of those like old. Try the there was like, I think it's like 5. There's like one that has like scratching in it. That those are so cool. I don't know if that'll
dude,
work.
that's sick.
Dude, little gnomes. They sound like little gnomes screaming.
Yeah, dude, little gnomes running around everywhere.
I don't know if that'll work, but I really like that.
Let's try it.
Yeah, it works good.
We got some effects, right?
Yeah.
Let's get some fucking effects going, dude. This is how it starts, is we'll have this over here, and we'll have like the OG. Oh my God.
Excuse me.
Holy shit.
I apologize.
Are you okay, dude?
I'm great, dude. Let me just.
I told you the butterflies are after you, bro.
They knocked off my fucking
after
out.
you.
You're right.
I
I should
told
do a
you
better
they were
job.
coming, bro.
Well, it's not easy to try. I'm trying to produce with you, dude. I don't want to just.
Need you over
I'm not
here.
your butterfly intern. Dude.
I know, but I'm just saying, dude, there's butterflies everywhere. You gotta get them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know? Yeah, dude, and then maybe let's get, damn, we don't even have a kick yet, bro. All right, let's get a kick real fast. Okay, cool. So now we got that. Let's get a nice tight snare.
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yeah. That's cool. Oh, maybe that's the key, is you put the headphones on first.
Oh.
Then the butterflies
Okay.
can knock it off.
I like that.
And then you tuck.
That could be, oh, you tuck the headies.
Nope, definitely didn't help. Okay. Gnomes are the best. Oh, okay. So it's more of a butterflies. It's more of a fake out.
Yes, yes. I fucking just threw your shit, dude. It keeps hitting me in the face.
I'm sorry, dude, you fucking. Hey, bro, you want to live a gnome life or not, dude? Can't hang, it's not my
Gnomes
fault.
for life, bro. I can't see shit. I want to get a sick drop snare, dude. Oh, dude, I couldn't also not hear.
You haven't been able to hear this whole time?
Yeah.
No wonder. Do I get to produce?
No. Yeah, and then let's get that. It looks like a cool break.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I want like kind of like that actually. Let's see.
That's cool.
Might have to speed it up.
That sounds nice. So it feels like that part. Oh God. falling apart over here, dude.
The what?
I'm falling apart over here, dude.
You need your hat back on, dude. We should
So?
Yeah.
You fucking threw it.
I know, dude. The butterflies, dude.
Okay, all right,
They
continue.
got
Proceed.
me all messed up, dude. They got me all f***ed up over here.
Blaze it. Crank it. Get down. Kick stop. Here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again.
I like that one, dude. Here we go again, bro.
Here we go again.
Cool.
I think we're in a really good spot. Let me just auto filter this in, and then I'm gonna hand it off to my Gnomey over here.
I think what we got to do is I want to try to bring back. I know this thing kind of sounds like shit, but if we want people to fucking really rock out to this, they got to have some of the original gnome part.
You think so?
I think so. I think. It might not work, but let's just try. So kind of what I'm thinking is during this little pre-drop, we create this moment. I like that you're doing your hands like that.
Yep.
That's very helpful to me. Thank you. You know?
Yeah.
All right, so let's scooch in. Dude, I think I'm gonna fucking butterflies.
God damn.
And now the drop idea was you and I were kind of thinking the same thing.
Woo! It's fucking sick.
It's a nice little layer.
Yeah. Jesus.
All right, so
These
then
butterflies,
so
dude.
we got.
Woo!
Yeah. It's coming together, dude.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, okay, I like that. Yeah, all right, all right.
That shit's nasty, dude.
right.
That shit's nasty.
Time out, hold on.
That shit's Gnomey, dude.
That's Gnomey. All right, so now we got a pretty good basis for this drop, so let's just bring in some of these drone sounds could be really sick. Maybe like one of these.
Woo!
Ba, 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 na, 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 na. All right,
Yeah.
so now it goes into here. All right, so let's bring this back in just to help us, and then I'm gonna like hand it back over to you.
Okay,
so, like,
sick.
Two, three.
Now fuck that.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
Smoke 'em. Okay, I'm gonna hand it over to you.
Okay, I like that.
I'm gonna record a pre-drop vocal for you right now.
Now fuck that.
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 Okay.
There it is.
Now fuck that.
Holy
Did you tape my
shit.
headphones on my hat?
Yeah, you're fucked, dude.
Does that look cool right now?
You look so sick. You look fucking
My
epic,
Fu
bro.
Manchu became part of my eyebrow. We've never done anything like this before, so this is cool. Yeah!
Sick.
So useful. Ooh.
I want to get one of those like shaker loops, the fast ones.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
dude.
Now fuck that.
Yeah. Ooh.
I'm gonna get like a nice melody sound.
Rave? Yo, try the super saw underneath it. Yeah, use that. With a bunch of effects? Yeah, okay.
All right, I think we're in a really good spot right now. We got all of our parts together. We got some sick sounds. I mean, dude, I love these parts, dude. The melodic loop just worked magically, which was super cool. The drop with all the crazy Reeses is,
Yeah.
it's absolutely insane. And then we go into straight melodic.
Liquid gnome.
Liquid
and bass.
gnome and bass, dude. Yeah. Nomenclature.
Nomenclature.
Is that the correct
That's the correct
gnome?
nomenclature. Is
Okay.
gnome and bass.
Okay.
Liquid gnome and bass.
Yeah, liquid gnome and bass.
But it's cool. We did everything we wanted to. We
Yeah.
said we wanted to make it have some jump up. We
Yep.
wanted some classic drum and bass freestyle stuff, and we wanted to have some liquid sort of melodic stuff in there. And
Yeah.
I think we did a pretty good job.
I think so too.
What do you guys think? What do you guys think of these sounds? Should we do something with them? You know what we'll do is we'll put together a starter pack.
Yeah.
Let's put together a starter pack.
That's a great idea.
Of drum and bass style sounds. We'll put like, you know, a bunch of presets and a bunch of samples.
Yep.
And then, you know, you guys just click the link down in the description if you guys want more, if you guys are interested in us doing more stuff like this.
Yeah.
Let us know.
I love it, dude.
And then-
Let's hook them up.
And then maybe we'll put this project file on for our patrons.
The patrons.
Yeah, the patrons.
The gnome trends?
The gnome trends.
The gnome
Yeah.
trends.
You guys can check out our Patreon.
Patronomes.
Patronomes.
Patronomes. Let's go.
Nice.
It took us a couple seconds, but we got it, dude. This is the
useful.
first time that we're like giving away a giant pack for free.
Yeah.
Usually they're more bite-sized, but this is huge.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited to do this for you guys, and I'm excited to see what you guys make with it.
We'll show you guys the final version. Put together a little montage for them, right?
Oh, dude, let's do it.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think too. Click that link. Support us on all socials. We'll see you guys in the next one, right?
See you guys.
Play this out, bro.
Play it out.